Okay, it is Sunday. Go for it. And right now, we are heading up to do some tattooing. And we've been planning this for a while now, and we are finally here. So, time for tattoos. Alrighty? Alright guys, see you in a few. Okay, the needle has dropped. We are here at Infinity Tattoo Shop in Alaminos City, where Alexander Pohl is providing his tattoo skills here today. With Eden, my wife. Her first tattoo. Don't move around too much, hon. Yeah. It's her first, so it's kind of a shocker, I'm sure. I know my first one 35 years ago. I wasn't aware of how things were gonna be, so. But you get used to it. To me, I always thought tattoos were just kind of a nagging pain. Not really nothing more than that. But it's worth it. You get what you want. It's worth it.
I can do it.
Oh yeah, absolutely. So let's just kind of take a look around here. So what Eden is getting here today is a Libra sign. Has like a little feather and Infinity. I'm sorry. What did I say? Libra? Okay. Infinity sign. She wanted it. Now she's getting it. So it's all good. And I'll be getting mine also, but mine will be actually my 6th tattoo. So I started 35 years ago, and my last one was about 4 years ago. So.
You see my hand? Yeah. Sweating.
You're doing fine, hon. Alright, move back. Let's check. How are you doing down there, hon?
I'm okay, but the pain is... You see my legs are sweating.
Kind of that nagging, non-stop dragging, irritating. You get used to it. You actually start liking it after a while. Yours is coming along quick, hon. Headed towards the finish line. It's coming along great. Doing okay down there? You got it, you got it. We're just about finished, I think.
Last color.
That's good. Okay. Okay. She's finished. Looks like she's just been to hell and back. Yeah, she did it.
Wow.
Come over here in the light. Let's check this out. Ooh, nice and raw and red, but it looks good. Alex did some good work here. Looks very nice. And we're gonna get some ointment on that. Get it, put some plastic, and we'll get into the healing process. That looks good. She has one tattoo. Yep. Yeah, it looks awesome.
Nice, I like it.
Yeah. Okay, we'll check back. Okay, we just finished up with our tattoos, and it was quite an experience. Eden's took maybe an hour, tops. Mine took more like 2.5, almost 3 hours. But we're here at Shakey's. We're gonna go ahead and eat some dinner before we go home. It's starting to rain outside. It's been an eventful day, so we're just gonna kind of relax here for a little while and have something to eat. Let's see the back of your. Let's see what your tattoo looks like. This is what we have going on here. She got the Infinity. I keep messing that up. Infinity tattoo. It turned out really nice. Alexander Hole over at the tattoo shop here in Alaminos City hooked us up today, so he did a really good job. I was really impressed, and he took care of us. So, and then show you mine real quick. Get the thing there. Just look at the viewfinder. Yeah. So what we got here is American flag and Philippine flag. That's kind of what I wanted. So there you have it. That's what we did. American flag, Philippine flag, and then some little borders going around it. And also he covered up an old tattoo I had right here that I got when I was 18 years old. But it was something I really didn't care much about anymore, so no harm, no foul. That's what I wanted. So anyways, yep, that's what we got. I'm a little sore, as you can imagine. That was one hell of a...
Still sweating.
Yeah, okay. Tattoo ride. So anyways, thanks guys for joining us, and we're gonna eat, and we're gonna call it a day. So take care. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.